Welcome to Friday News Roundup. My name's Carlos, and I scour the internet for the latest on electric skateboard news so you don't have to. As always, there will be timestamps down in the description for all of our stories, and with that, let's jump right into our first story for the week. This week, the popular iOS e-skate tracking app by the name of Ride has opened up their pre-registration for the Android version of their app. The Ride iOS app has great boosted board integration, and thanks to it, it can automatically start tracking your ride without even needing to open up the app. Overall, it's just been a very nice way for iOS users to track their rides and statistics, and now those of you with Android phones will be able to use the app soon too. Over to Revel. In an email sent out to customers waiting to receive shipping confirmation for their Revel kits, Flo from their customer support team has confirmed that Revel kits will begin shipping again next week. Due to manufacturing delays and other various problems across the industry, customers have been hit with severe wait times. Some Revel customers have been waiting since late May at the very least. I'll keep my eyes peeled for if and when Revel kits start showing up in customer hands. But speaking of shipping complications, let's move over to some Exway news. We've got a double story on them for tonight. The Exway Wave is set to be the company's next board to release. It's got a short cruiser-style deck with a quick swappable battery and swappable drivetrain. I'm feeling a little bit of deja vu on this one. Check the cards. It's a highly hyped board, and reviewers are starting to receive their early units. Exway, call me. There's been a lot of speculation about when the board is going to release, though. It's already available direct from the manufacturer in China, but Exway has been incredibly tight-lipped about the whole thing on account of their shipping issues with the Exway Flex. But a little birdie did let it slip this week that the board is supposed to launch, or at the very least go up for pre-orders, the third week of July, presumably next week or the week after that. Continuing with Exway news, there have been reports of customers being given refunds for their Exway X1 Pro purchases. It's leading some to believe that maybe the X1 series has been discontinued. All of their boards are currently marked as unavailable in the X1 series on Exway's website. And after having read a user's experience with a faulty X1 battery, I'd caution against anyone currently buying either the X1 or the X1 Pro. You don't want to end up with a board that has no replacement parts available for it. That's about it from me for this week. Did I miss any other big stories? If I did, drop a comment down below so we can talk about it. Or you can find me over on Twitter, Instagram, and the Electric Skateboarding Discord. Links for all of which will be in the description. Till next time, toodles. Beep boop, boop boop boop.